not good. I just looked. We're supposed to get 5 to 8 inches of snow. Not good, not good, not good, not good, not good at all. Like, it's, from everything I've seen, it's going to be a very bad storm. It's going to be heavy. It's going to be, like, not fluffy snow. It's going to be a wet snow. I ain't looking forward to this at all. Be sure to subscribe, turn post notifications, and I'll take a video of the snow whenever it's done or while it's snowing. You all seem to like the last one I did, so I'll do this one too, but only if I get views and subscribe, or y'all like this video first. I'll see y'all in the next video. Let's hope we survive.